Okay, so I will share my screen to you to have a review, okay? So here, this is food, right? So this is a kind of review about vocabulary and the word skills. So let's proceed. So here, okay. In a minute. So as we can see, look at the photos. Choose one meal that looks tasty and then looks healthy, then quick to make, and then the filling. Okay, right. So letter A. What do you think in the picture that is tasty for you? That's only for you. It depends upon you also. What number will be tasty for you? Look, what kind of food that you feel that is tasty? What
Oh,
number? Number?
number, I don't know.
What number? Number 5? Sorry. Okay, what number about what do you think what number will be the healthy food for you? Healthy food.
Number 6,
Okay, number 6. Okay, how about quick to make?
Sunday,
Yes, quick to make.
and number 4,
Number 4. Okay, how about feeling?
going, mm,
Yes, feeling is, what do you think what number?
I don't know.
Just try only. Feeling will be, okay, so it depends upon you. Okay, for me also the tasty food is here, number 2. The healthy foods is number 6, that is all fruits, right? Quick to make. How about quick to make? For me, quick to make is for me, that's for me. Mm-hmm. Here, number 4, because that is only a sandwich. And then the chips, right? Then the filling. How about the filling? So when we say filling, just like this, look, number 3. That is for me, right? Okay, let's start with our vocabulary. Go. So this is a review so that you can forget. So what is that?
Um, Chris,
Yes, crepes. Next,
red,
red
keeper,
paper. Okay, next.
lamb,
Okay, very good. That is a lump. Yes. Okay, next. What is that? How about that?
lettuce,
Yes, so very good. That is a lettuce. Next.
uh, olive,
Yes, olive. How about that?
uh, brown,
Prune. Okay, very good.
brown,
Yes, that is a prune. Prune. Okay, next. What is that?
Toast.
Toast. Okay, very good. That's a toast. Here, what is that?
Green paper.
Okay, very good. That is a grain paper. Next.
Cereal.
Cereal. Again, cereal.
Cereal.
Okay, cereal.
Cereal.
Okay, very good. Next. Okay, go read it. Please read. Okay, wait in a minute. Listen and repeat the words in the lesson much, then with the photos. Listen carefully, okay? Okay, go read it. Go. Can you please read the food?
Yeah.
Go.
Apple.
Apples.
Beef. Uh, fish.
Beef.
Cake. Bake.
Bread.
Fresh. Carrot. Cheese. Chicken. Beef. Cucumber. Fish. Green or red. Pepper. Lamb. Lemon. Nature. Melon. Mushroom. Olive. Onion. Pasta. Peas. Pineapple. Potato. Brown rice. Sandwich. Sauces. Strawberry tomato.
Okay, very good. So that is the foods. So here, we have first the sausages, right? We have the sausages. Okay, we have mashed potato, peas, onion. So that's the green, or that is the green peas. Okay, so next, let's move on. We have bread, cheese, and the olives. And then we have prawns and the pasta, right? And then we have also the crepes, tomatoes, and sandwiches, right? That's very simple. The crepes, tomatoes, and the sandwiches. So this is easy snacks, right? We have fish and the mushrooms. We have melons, strawberries, and pineapple. Okay, so here, and this time we discuss about the countable and the uncountable. So just remember that the countable is we have the things that you can count, right? Just like pizzas, you can count it. Just like ball pen, you can count it, right? They have a singular and a plural form, just like eggs. So we can count the eggs, right? So the countable nouns, which is we can count. The uncountable nouns, meaning the things that you cannot count. You can only weigh or measure. So just remember that they only have a singular form and take a singular verb. Okay, just like the cheese is delicious and the tea. So just remember that, okay? So some nouns can be countable or uncountable depending on how we are using them. Okay, for example, first, countable is we need 4 large lettuces. That is 4 large lettuces, so we have 4, right? We have the numbers. And then another uncountable, do you have more lettuce? More lettuce, so that is uncountable. If we say more lettuce. Countable, can I have a coffee, please? Cup of coffee. Okay? So just remember that. Okay, next. I don't drink coffee. I don't drink coffee. So that is uncountable. So here, so just very simple, right? So you know already how to count what are the countable nouns and then the uncountable nouns. So that's a very simple. So here also, okay, this is a review, right? So here also is look at the breakfast menu below. Which 5 nouns in the menu are countable? How do you think? Okay, just give me the answer about countable nouns in your own. Countable nouns, please. Give me your answer, the uncountable nouns.
Um,
Give me your answer about the countable nouns.
Countable
Yes, look, what are the
noun.
countable nouns?
Fish.
Okay, yes, the eggs. First, we have the eggs. Okay, we
Okay.
can count the eggs, right? How about, can you count the bananas, right? The oranges, that is a countable. Okay, so that's only. And the rest is, that is uncountable. Okay? Okay, look. Cakes, bananas, oranges. So, how do you know? Why do you know that is countable? Because they are plural. Eggs, pancakes, cakes, bananas, oranges. So, just remember about countable, okay? Countable meaning plural. Okay? So here, let's move on about recycle articles. So here, about articles is we have indefinite article. We use a or an with singular countable nouns. We use with plural nouns. So meaning, we use with the singular and the plural nouns about countable nouns. So that is very simple. When we say countable, we can count those things, right? Rice. Can we count the rice? We cannot count the rice, right? When we say 1 sack of rice, we can count that. Okay? A sack of rice, countable or non-countable? Uncountable. Sack of rice. Countable or non-countable? What is your answer? Sack of rice. Countable, yes, sack. One sack
Huh?
of rice. One sack of rice. One sack. One sack. S-A-C-K. One sack.
S
S-A-C-K. One sack of rice. Not sack. One sack of rice. Countable or uncountable?
people understand.
Okay, I will check the spelling. Here. Okay. One sack of rice. What is that? Look, I have chat. One sack of rice, countable or non-countable?
So
Yes.
uncountable.
That
Huh?
is countable. Why?
How
That is countable because why? That is countable because we can count the sack, right? We can count the sack. Again, we can count the sack. Okay, thank you. Okay, infinite we use of an in singular or countable nouns. We use some plural nouns, right? So here another. Okay, we often use the indefinite article when we mention something for the first time and the definite article when we mention it again. Okay, example, we got some olives and a melon. The melon is on the table, the olives are in the fridge. So here also, so complete the sentences with a and or some. So first example. So we will move for an answer, right? So here, go read speaker number 1 so that you can familiarize. Go, make it fast because it is already time. Go, read it. Please read it. Okay, speaker 1, you are the speaker 1. He usually cooks. Go.
I will see.
Go, please read that speaker number 1. He usually Go, please read speaker number 1, please.
Number one. Um, Sausage.
He usually cooks. Go, please read it completely. Go, read it, please. Speaker number 1.
Metro. um,
Go, please read first the speaker number 1.
Number one. Rice. Sausages.
Yes, he usually. Go. He usually. As
Okay.
I said, please read it. Go, read it first. He usually cooks. He usually cooks meat, fish, or pasta. I think my. Okay, can you hear me? Yes or no?
No.
You cannot hear me?
No.
Well, you can
Food.
answer me. You cannot hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, you can hear me.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
yes, as I said to you, please read only. Read speaker number 1.
Number one.
Yes,
Cook with
yes.
rice.
He usually cooks.
Is what cook
Go, please read only. Please read it. Go. I know you can do it. You cannot read it. So I will the one who will read. As I said to you, you can only read. What happened? Okay, my goodness. Only read. As I said, please read speaker number 1 so that you can realize what is the correct answer.
with
Yes, only read. Read speaker number 1. Can you see the slide? Read only, read. As I said, he usually
Sis.
cooks meat, fish, or pasta. I think my favorite is the fish. Okay? So my other favorite dinner is my mom's homemade pizza. It's mainly cheese and tomato, but she puts some olives in too. So this is only a
Teacher,
simple, yes.
I don't like viruses.
What?
Mm, mm,
You cannot see the slide?
no.
Oh, what happened? My goodness.
Teacher,
Yes?
have you changed the slide yet?
No.
Yeah, I can see.
Oh my God. So you cannot see for how many minutes? Sorry also. Okay, so we will go to the speaker number 2. So speaker number 1 is just remember the what is that? The complete on how to use the a and the and, they and some, right? So some that is just like many also, right? So number 2, speaker number 2. Let's move on number 3, okay? So just remember number 1. Okay, speaker number 2, go. Can you please read for me? Speaker number 2.
To
Yes, speaker number 2.
this a coffee at a restaurant in our village, but the restaurant is quite expensive, so we usually go to the coffee, the local at the coffee outreach. They are really big and they come with a lot of cheese.
Okay. So what is that? So restaurant or village, but the restaurant is quite there is a cafe and a restaurant in our village, but the restaurant is quite expensive, so we usually go to the cafe, right? So the burgers, just continue please. Speaker number 3. Go, speaker number 3, please read it.
Some week and some thrift. Sometimes I am still hungry after the sandwich and the thrift. So why? So I buy an offering or over pantry.
Okay. So you have a sandwich and some crepes. Sometimes I'm still hungry after the sandwich and the crepes, so I buy an orange or a banana. Okay, very good. How about number 4? Speaker number 4.
Usually, um, three,
I usually have breakfast.
four, but is just a small cake. I eat on the bus to school.
Okay, I usually have breakfast, but it's just a small cake I ate in the bus too. School. Very good. How many foods can you identify? Do you know what is that? Can you identify that? Okay, what is this? This is a,
Um,
okay, this is fries, right? This is fries. How about this?
this burger,
Okay, this is hamburger. How about this?
the journals,
Okay, this is donut. How about this? How about this? This is crepes. Okay, sandwich and
burgers,
the soda. Okay, chips, cheeseburger, donuts, and also we have here crepes. Okay, we have also this. What is that? Pretzels, pizza, and the Coke. Okay, so we have also the advertising. Okay, so we will continue and then I know we will end this in a minute. So you know already what is the advertising, right? So when we say advertising, junk food advertising. Okay, after children watch adverts for junk food, they eat more of it. Junk food companies say that there is a problem. So what do you mean by that? Junk food is not good or bad? Again, junk food is good or bad for the health? What is your answer? What do you think? What is the answer? Junk food, good or bad? Junk food.
and
Again, is junk food good or bad in the body? No, that's not good for the body, right?
um,
Yes. Okay, so here we are. So let's learn about, okay, we discussed about the adjectives and the preposition. Again, the preposition. Okay, look, the preposition, we use preposition with some adjectives. Okay, with some adjectives and some adjectives go with the, what is that? Go with the certain preposition. Okay, there are no grammatical rules for which preposition is used with each adjective. So it's a good idea to try to learn them together. To help you do this, write new vocabulary in your notebook in a sentence or phrase. So first example, I'm good at math, but I'm bad at art. I'm interested in history. France is famous for cheese. Okay, so here let's move on with our vocabulary and the text and write the preposition that followed them. Okay, go read number one vocabulary. Can you see it? What is that? Number one. What do you think? What is that?
responsible,
Okay, very good. Responsible. Okay, next. Number two. What is that?
warrior,
Worried. Again. Worried.
worried,
Okay, next. Number three.
use,
Use. Okay, very good. How about number 4?
Pure.
Popular. Okay, next. Number 5. Number 5 is
Full.
full. Okay, number 6.
Keen.
Keen. Very good. Number 7.
Bad.
Bad. Okay, number 8.
Dash. Disappointed.
Okay, disappointed. Okay, responsible for, worried about. Just remember that used to, popular with, and then full of, keen on, bad for, disappointed with. Okay, so we have another, we have afraid, the adjectives. We have kind. Okay. So we will continue this next meeting because it is already time, okay? So thank you so much for the time today, and we will move for the other lesson, okay? So please study hard. Thank you and goodbye. See you again. Thank you.